What's up, fam? It's your Liam Neeson of the Line Chart. How do you overcome FOMO? I've made a video on this before. I was much younger back then, but the video still deals with mindset, still very applicable. However, in this video, the tactical approach to overcoming FOMO. If a stock is dropping and you want to buy a ton more, right? You want a dollar cost average, you get a lot more cheaper. Or it's breaking out and it's running and you're like, I'm missing everything. If you have FOMO and you know exactly what it feels like, a suggestion is get in a very small size, right? If it's running to the moon and you're like, I'm missing it, I'm an idiot, buy 20 bucks worth, 50 bucks worth. It will quell the fear. And you're in it. If it runs to the moon and you were right and it did break out and you just didn't do the analysis right, you didn't get in, at least you made a little bit of money. That will allow you to size in properly, to be in very, very small, to not do anything too stupid, and you'll start to feel out, how am I acting when I have this FOMO? How do I feel? What's my body composition like? So that you can start understanding when it happens again, you will know and you'll be prepared. You can look back in the past and go, all right, last time I felt this way, this is what happened. It's all about creating a plan, following the plan, and having discipline. Everyone gets FOMO. I truly get it every single day that I trade. It never goes away. But it can be quelched with that tip. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Post them in the comment section below and I'll make a video just like this for you.